So you will be. There's another question that I was asked. If you don't want to become a professional, and you still are interested in learning sound, you still are interested in learning integral sound, and have an experience. Uh, what are the, because from what you're saying, it sounds like you want to make people professional, you want to make people go out there and help people, because this world is full of the trauma, and we're not looking at the trauma, we are looking at how do we create happiness in other people's life. And
Yes.
for that we have a tool called the gong, which is not just going to change the vibration within us and make us happy, but other people around us happy, right?
Yes.
uh, so, can we call these people, even if they don't want to become professionals, can we call them happiness creators?
Yes, it's a very nice word. Yes, of course, you don't need to become a professional. First of all, it's a it's a very good experience for yourself anyhow. So those people will also come to have the experience for themselves and just to be inspired or to be, yes, to have the experience. And then usually the next step is if you have this experience of creating happiness, then you have it's most people have the idea, I want to create this happiness in my family. So you start to do sound music with the family or with the old people or the very young kids. And even this is so, I really, that's why the saying there should be is a gong in every home. There should be singing bowls. I mean, I can tell you, this is the biggest fun playing with children, using the sound instruments. It's beautiful, the experience when we go with the tuning fork, how to communicate with people who cannot talk anymore, using this as a non-verbal meta communicational language, which is what sound music is. And then you are, because you are you put your heart into it, you are empathic, like you breathe, you share emotions without you having to explain them. So this is why sound music is so special. Then also some people say, no, I'm not into healing at all, but I like to work with this media. We have a lot of performance artists. They are start to integrate. And as I'm always amazed when people come from other professions, like they are, and no, I want to have this as an additional tool. So it's like and the story of performance art is a very big topic. So you don't have to be a sound healer, but you can be a sound artist. And of course, like and till now, if people are into let's say into psychology and just studying the nature of human, if you have the instrument of a gong or a sound tool, you have a very important, valuable tool. And this makes you, which will make your work much easier. For example, if you do even the sound experience, it also does not need to be called sound healing. This is just kind of overall agreement. You can name it anything, anyhow. So if you have the sound experience, the sound immersion in the beginning of a talk, oh my Lord, the talk will be so different. And then you start in where you usually end of, and you're the person which is whom are you speaking with is more able to speak from his heart or to memorize uh, things that usually is very there, like 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 hidden in your unconscious mind. So the gong is a huge opener for the content of your unconscious mind.